Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon to the early birds. Good afternoon, Natsmith. Good afternoon, Peter. Mitoshana. Good afternoon, Mitoshana. Good afternoon, Dhanushriya. Good afternoon, Jimmy. Good afternoon, Lasango. Good afternoon, Sanat. Good afternoon, Simon. Good afternoon, Laban. Good afternoon, Abraham.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, Adamu. Nirushan Kumar. Good afternoon. Okay, that's great. So what was the topic we did in the last class? Could anyone recall? Can you hear me? LCM hits here, yes. Okay. So LCM hits here. Okay. Any doubts in the topic of LCM and HCF? Any doubts? No. Okay. So now quickly we'll get into a topic that is board mass simplification. And then we'll get into percentage word problems. Thank you, Lasango. So I'm giving you first topic, board mass. I hope you know what is called as board mass. Eid Mubarak to all. Okay. I'm making you the questions on the board. I'm sharing you the screen. Good afternoon, Peter. Thank you. Thank you very much, Peter. Rafiat, good afternoon. Ten questions. Okay, I'll tell you how to do it, and then you can start. I'm sharing the screen. You're coming to Jain. That's great, Laban. Okay, can you see the screen? Oh, sure. That's great. Can you see the board? The screen visible to you? Fine. So you're going to use a rule called board mass. That means simplification of topics where the first you will do inside the bracket. I'll do one question and show you, then you can do all the questions. Okay, before that you have something called E, that means exponents. E means exponents. So first is brackets, after that off. The word off is not there anywhere. If it is given off, that means multiplication. Then it is division, then with the multiplication symbol, then with addition, and then that is with subtraction. And exponents means the power value. Or sometimes you might have even radicals. You can solve that first. That means root values. Got it, right? So looking for now, the first one, I look for the bracket. So inside that, you might have a root value or exponents. That is also fine. Okay, like that, you would do it. Now, I hope you understood in the first question, first is multiplication. First is multiplication, then only I have to add based on the rule. M for multiplication, A for addition, then subtraction. M multiplication 36 plus 5, 51. That's all. Sorry, 41. Okay. Do all the questions, then check. You can check answers all together. I'm expecting you to do mind calculation. If you do that, we can finish it faster and go on with the next topic. That's great. So these questions I'm giving you for only for the revision purpose to know the calculation, because as you go on, the other topics requires more calculation. Okay, not difficult, but still you have more calculation. So that is the reason to become cautious on the topics I'm making you to solve. Lasangu, math is evergreen. It's easy. Don't take it as wild. It's evergreen. It's very easy. Slowly try. It will take some time to learn, but for sure you will be able to do. Both Marzani, I think you are late. Please do solve the questions based on the given above. Yeah, I'll move the picture just a minute. The first number is 96. Okay, square bracket of 96 divided by. I hope you're able to see the question. Have you done? Good, Virat. Okay, the first one answer is 41. The next one is 24 by 6 is 4. 4 plus 49, 50, 53. It's done. And the next one is 11 times 3, 33. It's done. The next one, this is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is again 12. 25 minus 12, 15 minus 2, 13. 15 minus 2, 13. 13 plus 3, 15, 16. Check it. If the first 4 is correct, you get 19. Okay, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. 25 minus 12 is 13 plus 3 is 16. Fourth one you got 10. Yes, number 1 is 41. No changes. Number 1 is 41. 4 is 10. Okay, first is the bracket. Yes, so 7 plus 5, 12. Next is division. There is no off. Next is division, D. Okay, when dividing 12 divided by, or I can say it is 25 minus 4 times 12 divided by 4 plus 3. This is what is the meaning. Is that correct? Check it. 25 minus 4 multiplied by 13, sorry, multiplied by 12 divided by 4. Now the 4 and 4, can I simplify? Okay, now minus 12, 25 minus 12. What is 25 minus 12? 13. Now I have plus 3 over here. It is plus 3. So 13 and this is positive 3. That gives me 16. Can you check it? What one is 16? I think that most of your answers are wrong. It's not 10, it's not 13, it's not 19, it's not 21, it's not 14. All these answers, what I got for the fourth question, it is 16. Yeah, yes, Loveness. First is inside the brackets, then the division, then the multiplication. Either you first subtract or add or subtract, doesn't make anything. Okay. Loveness can unmute yourself. Loveness can unmute yourself. Loveness Nalangui. Loveness can unmute yourself. Yes, Yamini. Thank you. Yes, it's correct. Loveness. Yes, Laban.
Yes, hello, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. I'm just clearing everything. I'm coming to the first question. Yes, please. The first question, Aksmit, I have to multiply these both, then only add. First is addition, then the multiplication. That is what is about both mass. If I have radicals and exponents, yes, I have to do them before them. Exponents before doing this, or any radicals given, I can do that. And then only B, O, D, M, A, S, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. First one, then add it. So 36 plus 5 is 41. Clear with that, Axmed? Laban? Okay. Second question. Second question, 7 square is 49. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 plus 49. How much? 4 plus 49. 50, 51, 52, 53. Done. Next, inside the bracket, 27 minus 16 is 11. 3 times 11, that is equals to 33. Clear with that? So in this question, yes, Laban, what was your doubt on the fourth question?
I wanted to find out, sir, the same question for there. Since you said we follow board mass, so there, yeah, we've done brackets first of all. We added 7 plus 5, then it gave us 12. So now
Yes.
since we have, yeah, we have 12 there.
Okay.
So since it's brackets of, so why can't you multiply now the 12 by -4 before we divide with negative with 4?
Okay, as per the rule, first you're gonna do division, only then the multiplication. That is why they order B, O, D, M, A, S. There's nothing wrong in you multiplying before. If I multiply, I'm going to get it as 48 divided by 4. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now what will be your next step?
Oh, we have to divide.
Yes, 48 divided by 4. How much?
It will give us -12.
Yes, what is 25 minus 12?
That's 13.
You're using your calculator. Am I correct, Laban?
Yeah, it is true. Yes, I've used the calculator.
You
Yes.
cannot use calculator. Please don't use it. In your exams, it's not allowed.
All
You're
right.
using a button calculator and the buttons are smaller. Okay, 13 plus 3 is 16. And you're using a basic
Oh,
number calculators. Understood how to do it now?
yeah.
Okay, please don't use calculators. More than the buttons, your brain is more bigger. You can use your brain. It will surely work. You want to increase your speed. Your speed. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, yes, next question. Is that clear with the fourth one, everyone? Okay, let's take on. Let's do subtraction first. Okay, let's do subtraction first. What is minus 12 plus 3? What is minus 12 plus 3? You do the subtraction first, doesn't matter. Minus 12 plus 3. Negative 9, right? Yes. What is 25 of negative 9? What is 25 of negative 9? What is 25 of negative 9? That's all. The answer is same. See, it is not that it's a set of rule. It is a step to do it. Either you do subtraction first and the addition, it doesn't change. Rather than you have a multiplication or division sign in between. If you don't have any multiplication or division sign in between, yes, of course, you can do the subtraction first and then the addition. No problem at all. You're clear with that? Okay. Can I clear this fourth question? I have written the answer. I'm clearing it. Getting into the fifth one. Fifth question. 64 negative 3. It's a bracket. That means this is a multiplication over here. First, I have to solve inside. Okay. I'll just write it in the fraction method and show you. 64 minus 3. Let it be 13. Number 2. Okay. 7 square. What is 7 square? 24 divided by 6 is 4 plus 7 square is 49. You want to add them both, you get 53. Did you get it, Axmed? Okay, 13 plus 2 into 12 divided by 8. That means I write it in fraction. Minus 3 times 3. Okay, normally what we do when the fraction comes, we have to take LCM method or solve them first. Is that right? That is what we're going to do it over here also. 2 times 1, 8 is for 4 times. Next, 4 is for 1, 12 is for 3. 13 plus 3 is 16. So 64 minus 3, bracket of 16, minus 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 11. Plus 11. Okay, 16 minus 9. How much is 16 minus 9? So 64 minus 3 times, yes, bracket of 7 plus 11. So this will be 21. So 64 minus 21 plus 11. You add or you subtract first, doesn't matter. Your answer will be same. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 43. 43 plus 11 is 54. Yes. Nirishan Kumar answer is right. Most of your answers are right. I think Yamini's answer is also right. And yes, Laban answer was also right, I hope. Yeah. Axmed, I hope you're getting it. I'm checking for some answers. So Hossein, you have to check it again. Yes, Laban, your answer was correct. So Hossein answer was wrong. Axmed, may I know what was your trouble, Axmed? You can unmute yourself, Axmed. Axmed can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir, I can hear you, man. Sir,
Yes, yeah. What was your doubt?
sir, I have a doubt. Number 2.
Okay. What was your doubt?
Number 2. So we have I have for 24 divided by 6 plus 7 square.
Okay.
How-
First thing
how
I
come
have to
it's-
do the square.
Yes, how come it's a 53 and 53?
Okay, what is 24 divided by 6?
24 divided by 6. Four, sir.
Plus, there is a plus sign in between. And 7 square, what is the answer?
14.
14, no, 49. 7 square is 49. 7 square means 7 times 7, not 7 times 2.
Okay, sir.
That is what is called exponents. If I write something on the top a square, that means 7 times 7. That is not
Yes.
7 times 2. Understood now
Yes,
your
yes.
fault?
Yes, now understood, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Axman. Okay, next one. Fifth one is clear. So the answer is 54. Most of you were right. Hausian, have to check your answer again. Yeah, next one. 45 minus 3. So it's a square bracket. 42 divided by 3 square is 9. 9 plus 5. So that is 14. Square bracket close. Multiplied by 2 minus 5. 43 divided by, yes, the answer is just 1. 43 divided by 14 is, sorry, 42 divided by 14 is just 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So this whole thing, if I solve, I'll get 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. I think some of you gave wrong answer for this. Please do check it. Now I'm getting correct answers, but before now. Dhanushri is correct. Peter is correct. Nirushan Kumar is right. Peter is right. Vitarshana is right. You said 1. So Laban was the first person today, much more quicker. That is good. Okay. Shall we go with the next question? Shall we go with the next question? 2 times 3 cube. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay. So 2 times 3 cube is 27 divided by 9 minus 2 times 6 times 8 is 14. Sorry, 6 plus 8, 14. Again divided by 7. Okay, 9 times 1, 27 is for 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 7 times 1, 14 is for 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. That's all. Yes. Positive 2, not negative 2. Danushan, can you check it again? Danushan, it is positive 2, not negative 2. Yes, Yami, you're correct. Peter was right. go on with the next one. Any doubts? Shall we go on with the next? Shall we go on with the next? Okay, the eighth one, 120 minus 10, 110 minus 208. This is 108. Divided by 36 divided by 3 is 12. So 108 divided by 12, that is 9. 108 divided by 12 is 9. So the whole thing is solved. Answer is just 9. 9 minus 22 plus 7. 9 plus, I will add now first. That's convenient for me. 16 now. So that gives me, difference is 6. So bigger number is negative. The answer is minus 6. Done. You getting it? You all getting it? Senate. Yes, Senate. Any doubts? Look, Senate. 112, 120 minus 12, 108. Divided by 36 divided by 3 is 12. Minus 22 plus 7. If I divide these both, I will get 9. 9 minus 22 plus 7. The first I can add it, 16. 16 minus 22, that is equals to minus 6. Got it? Okay. Any doubts? Okay. Ninth one, very easy. First is division. So 12 divided by 10 is 1.2. 1.2 multiplied by 5 is 6. Okay. Now 6. 6 minus 24 by 12 is 2. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Did you get it? You get minus 1. Oh, no. I'm getting 4. 24 divided by 12 is 2. And 60 divided by 10 is 6. Yes, 4 is correct. Can you recheck it? The ninth one answer should be 4. Yes. Next. 96 divided by the last question. This is 96. Okay, divided by 6 square is 36. 36 by 12 is 3. 96 divided by 3 is 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 8 divided minus 3 is 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 13. 23. Last one, this is division sign. So maybe because of this reason, you could have missed the answer. Okay, 96 divided by 6 square minus 12 is nothing but 3. Next is 96 divided by 3. Brackets, yes. Brackets first. 23. So 36 minus 12, 3. 96 divided by 3 gives me 32. 32 divided by 4 gives me 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 13 is 23. Clear with that? Yes, first you have to finish the brackets, then outside. Without doing the brackets, you cannot do inside, outside. Okay. First, inside the bracket, square bracket and smaller brackets. The notion you get 9. Okay. The notion can unmute yourself. The notion can unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me your steps? We'll check where you did go wrong. What was the first step you did?
96 divided for 24, sir.
96 divided by 24.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Answer
26
will
minus.
for bracket has
Okay, that is a
6.
subtraction. Okay, fine. So you have taken this as subtraction. Maybe everybody would have changed by taking this as a division or subtraction. That's all. I have taken this as division. Only in that this changes. If you have taken this as a division, the answer is different. If you have taken this as subtraction, the answer is different. I got it. Okay, fine. You have taken it as subtraction.
4 divided 4. Answer 1.
Okay.
Mm,
24
1
divided by 4 is 6. So 6 divided by 96 will be 6 divided by 96. 16. So 16 minus 3, 13. 13 times 2, 26. 26 plus. Still you don't get 9. Okay, tell me your steps. We'll check it. Tell me. Okay, you got this 24. Next, what did you do? After changing this as 24, what did you do? Tanushan?
6 into 6, 36.
Okay.
36 minus 12 into
Okay.
24 answer.
24. Next step.
96 divided for 24.
Okay.
Answer should 1.
96 divided by 24.
Yes, sir.
What is 96 divided by 24?
Division is a first. No.
It's 4. 96 divided by 24 is 4.
Yes.
Okay, 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay,
4.
fine.
Answer
Understood.
1.
Okay. Okay, next. 4 minus 3 is negative 1.
4 minus 3.
Okay, 1. Okay, 4
1.
minus 3, 1 times.
1 into 2, 2.
No, this was 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2.
Or negative 2.
Negative 2
Negative
times 2.
2 into negative 2, negative 4. Negative 4 plus 13, my positive 9s.
9. Okay, fine. Okay, your steps are correct. So if you have taken here division, the answer is 23. That's all. Since that was not clear for them all, they have taken it as division sign. Your answer is correct. No worries. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. If you have taken this as division, your answer is 23. If you have taken that as a subtraction, then the answer is 9. Now, nothing to worry. Your steps are fine. It's all about only the steps. Nothing to worry. Understood, right? If you have taken that 6 square minus 12, then the answer is 9. If we have taken 6 square divided by 12, then the answer is 23. That's all. Okay with that? Shall we go on with the next one? Shall we go on with the next one? Any doubts? Any doubts? No doubts? Okay, fine. I'm showing you some questions now to do. Once you do it, you can go on with the next. This is almost it's the next topic. Okay. I'm not giving you more difficult things what you have. I'm giving you just based on the simple mathematics what you have. I'm trying to give you that. Okay. Questions are here. Uh, no orders of the question, but still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Okay, we'll go for the blessed deal. 5 questions. If everyone get the right answer, we'll go on with the next topic. Okay, fine. In this topic, it is called simplification and approximation. Got it? So simplification, approximation. I'm giving you very limited questions, only 5 questions. It's almost similar to board mass. Nothing big difference. But the thing is, you need a practice in these topics. That's why I'm giving you. Because you have next topic when we go, you have a lot of simplification questions. Okay with that? So this topic is called as simplification. Try to do it. Once you get right answers, we'll go on with the next. Just 5 questions. Everyone have to get 5 out of 5. Everyone have to get 5 out of 5. Simplification and approximation. Similar to board mass. Okay, shall we solve it? Anyone still solving one time? Okay, I'm just giving you 3 more minutes. Okay, good. Can we solve it? Okay, first question. Root of, we'll just check on with root of 1521. What is the value? So how to find the square root? I'm just teaching you the method. So maybe you can use it for the other questions. 1521. From the last, you have to take 2 numbers each. 2, 2. Okay. So now it's 15 and 21. So what are the 2 numbers to multiply, which will give me nearer to square number as very closer, square number closer to 15. So 3 times 3, 9. It should be smaller too. Okay, 9. So 15 times 9, 10, it will get 6. Now I'm bringing this down, 21. 2 numbers together you have to bring down. Okay, so this is 21. Now 3 plus 3, 6. What you should write over here, so that when you multiply, you get the same number, 3, 6, 2, 1. So what is the number to multiply? So a number when you multiply, it gives me 1 at the last. That is going to be either 1 or 9. 9 times 9, 81. 654 plus 8, 54 plus 6 is 60, 62. Yes, I'm getting 621. Okay. So by this, we understood that the square number is this. We have written here 9, that 9 to be written over here. 621 minus 621 is 0. Since we got the last number as 0, this is a perfect square. The remainder is 0. So this is a perfect square. The answer is 39. Did you get it? How to find the square root? Did you get that? I'll give you some numbers. Okay, right, I have this 3 and 3, I have to add it and write that over here. Now write a number over here and single digit, and this becomes a 2-digit number. This becomes a 1-digit number. You have to multiply them to get 629, 621. 6, and I'm writing here 9. I'm writing here 9. What number I write here? That I have to write on the top. So 9 times 9, 81. So multiplying this, 54 plus 8, 62. Did you get that? Okay, the shortcut method alone I'll teach you now. Let's finish this, then we'll go for the shortcut. Okay, let's finish the 5 questions answered, then I'll teach you how to do the shortcut. One, 5, 2, 1. I'm writing on the right side. I think not to waste time on the same question. This is just a shortcut you can do on direct methods too. Not to waste time. I'm explaining it only once. We'll go on with the next. At the last, we'll come only for the square root, or maybe in the next class also we can do only with the square root how to do the shortcut. I'm explaining you once again, but not to waste time on the same question. Okay. From the last, take 2 numbers as pair, 2, 2. If there is only one number, that also you can take it. Got it with the first step? Is that clear with the first step? Yes. Now, what is the nearest perfect square number of 15? It should be smaller and nearer. What is the perfect square number of nearer to 15? What is the perfect square number nearer to 15? 9. So what makes 9? What are the 2 numbers to multiply to get 9? 3. So I'm writing over here 3 and 3. Yes. So 3 times 3 is 9. Now I am subtracting it. 15 minus 9. What is 15 minus 9? 6. Yes. Now this 21, we are bringing it down. 21. Okay. Got it right? Now 3 plus 3. Now I have to write here a number that is from this 3 plus 3. What is 3 plus 3? What is 3 plus 3? 6. I'll write that 6 over here. Okay, here and here I'll write a number to multiply and get this number as 621. 3 plus 3 is 6, Annie, not 9. 3 plus 3 is 6, Annie. Oh, yeah. So now I'm writing a number. Let's say this is A, this is A. In the place of A, I write a number and multiply 6A times A, I should get 621. What I should write in the place of A? The same thing I have to write here also, A. The same thing I have to write here. What should come in the place of A? Yes. If I write here 9, now it is 69. Okay, here it is 9. How do I know the 9 comes over here? Because here the last digit is 1. If I write 1 and 1, let's say 61 and 1. 61 times 1 is 61. Now 62 times 2. So that means 2 2s are 4. 6 into 2, 12. The number is in 600s. If I keep going like this, it will take a long time. I want it in 600s. And that is the reason I'm taking it as 9. 6 nines are 54. So that itself. Can you hear me? Yes. So now 9 times 9, 81. So 1 over here, 8 over here as reminder. Now it is 9 times 6, 54. 54 plus 8, 62. So what did I write over here to multiply them to get 621? 9. So that 9, I'm writing it over here. So that reminder 0 means it's a perfect square. If reminder is not 0, it's not a perfect square. So my answer for root of 500, 1521 or 1521 or 1521 will be 39. So this answer would be just 39. 39 divided by 3 times 12. Are you clear with that now? Are you clear? Okay. Any doubts? Anyone? Any doubts? Quickly let me know or we'll solve the question. Anyone? Any doubts? Means you were late today. Means I was late today. Ciao, Becca Mainza. Okay. 39 divided by 3. Divided by 3. No, 13, not 12. 13. 13 times 12. Yes, 13. 156. Yes. So 13 times 12. So I'll write it as 10 plus 2. I hope you remember this method. So 130 plus 26. So 156. Clear with that? Clear with that? Okay. Can I clear the screen? So 156. The next question, 672 divided by 24 times 18 plus. Now use the divisibility rule and tell me 672 is it divisible by 6? 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 Yes. Yeah. So now 24 divided by 6 is 4 and this is 112. Now tell me, is it 112? Is it divisible by 4? 112, is it divisible by 4? Is it 112? Is divisible by 4? 112 is divisible by 4. Yes. So 4 is for 1 time. This is for 2 times. 8, 9, 10, 11, 32. That is for 28. Yes. Okay. I hope now you're clear how to do it. Using the divisibility rule. How efficiently you can use the divisibility rule. I hope you're clear with that. So 28 times 18. Yes, correct. Correct means 28 times 18. You get 504. Okay. Plus 153. Okay, plus 153. 504, 604, 654, 657. Yes. 657 minus 345. Oh, sorry, 345. Yes. 3, 1, 312 or 321. Yes. So it's none of these. That means it's not given in the option. The other 4 options. So it's 312. Okay with that? Okay. Next, 3 by 4 of 26 percentage or 850. 3 by 4 is a fraction. Of means, I've already told you, it's a multiplication sign. Okay, so 3 divided by 4, of means multiplication sign. 26 divided by 100. Have here 100 is this off? Okay, or we'll check it. It's all. Okay. Or means we'll put it in addition. That's it. We'll keep that separately 850. Okay. So 2 tables, it is divisible. So it is 2 times, and this is 13. So it is 39 divided by 200 or 2 times 100. times 100. Okay. Okay. So simplifying this, how much do you get? Okay, it's actually off on, it's not or. Maybe the printing was not clear. Sorry about it. This is actually off. Off means multiplication. Okay, multiplied by 850. Okay, with that now, is that clear? It's not an addition, it's a multiplication. Or it's off. Okay. Can you now solve it and get me the answer? That's good. Yeah. Okay. The next one, 144 divided by 8 divided by question mark equals to 9. 144 divided by 8 divided by question mark. So this goes over here. That's equals to 9. This is the meaning. Okay, when I have something below this, or let's say 1. Oh, sorry, just a minute. I messed with my arrow mark. So 144 divided by 8, I'll get an answer. So this one over here and this question mark over here. Did you get it? Did you get that? So that question mark doesn't have any fraction value. So directly I multiply with the 8. So 144 divided by 8, how much? Or I can write it as, I'll just clear all the ink. 3, 1, 2, 3. 312, 156 is the answer. So 144 divided by 8 times question mark equals to 9. So that means this division sign 144 divided by 8 divided by question mark, this gets multiplied over here. If there is any number over here, that gets multiplied over here. Okay. So if it is 18, then the answer is just 2. No. Okay, got it now. So this is 18. So 9 is 1 time, 18 is for 2 times. Now the question mark over here, cross multiplication, that's equals to 2. So yes, the answer is 2. Clear with that? Okay, next question mark percentage of 590 minus this. So I hope you know percentage symbol means divided by 100. So question mark divided by 100 of 590 minus 11.8 equals to 236. So 0, 0, again 0, and I can write it as 5.9. That makes easy. 11.8 minus 5.9. Oh, it's a multiplication. Okay, then take this to the other side. That becomes an addition. 236 plus 11.8 plus 11.8. That's equals to question mark times 5.9. 7, 3 plus 1, 4, 274.8 equals to question mark times 5.9. So decimal and decimal, one value cancelled. So question mark equals to 2478 divided by 59. You're getting 42. Let's find that. What's off 42? Yes. Okay. Till this question, any doubts? Yes, Axmit, what's your doubt? Axmit, may I know what's your doubt? You can unmute yourself, Axmit. You can unmute yourself. 3. Yes, what's your doubt? In the third question?
And 30. 3. Number 3.
Okay. What was your doubt in the third question?
So how is 165 bond is 25? How is comes?
So it's 3 by 4 times 26 by 100, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the question is actually this is off. Since the printing has missed, it shows like on. This is off. Okay, off means multiplication, right?
Yes.
So multiplying 850 equals to, so 0 and 0 simplified, and just a simplification process. This is 2 times 26 is for 13.
Yes.
Okay, now this is 39 divided by 2 times 10, 20 times 85. So that also I can simplify as 0 and a decimal over here, 2 and 4.25. Got it?
Yes.
So now 39 times 4 plus 0.25. You have to multiply. Now multiply the answer and tell me. 39 times 4, how much? $156. Check whether it's correct. Plus 39 times 25, 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. Now I strike out this, I do it over here, so it is 9.75. Okay, 9.75. So 9, 4, 36. 3s are 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Do I make anything? Okay, fine. Plus 9.75. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4.25. Okay. Okay, fine. So you will be getting plus 9. So 165.75. Yeah, that's what is there in the option 1. Are you clear with that?
That's great, sir. Understood now.
Okay, that's fine. That's great. Anybody else have doubts? Anybody have doubts? Anybody have doubts? Yes, Jimmy. I'm opening Jim's paper. Just give me a minute. Okay. Jim, you cannot do that. Jim, you cannot do this. Okay, you have done a wrong method. Jim, there is that is a subtraction sign, right? So I cannot do 590 minus 11.8. As per the board mass, I have to first multiply. I cannot subtract it. Did you get that? Look here, Jim. This is your paper. This is your paper. You cannot do this. You cannot subtract like this, it's wrong. You have to take this to the other side. It becomes addition or adding 11.8 on both the sides. Adding 11.8 on both the sides. Now Axmed, 39 times 4.25. 39 times 4.25 Axmed. 39 times 4.25. Okay, adding 11.8 on both the sides. So this gets removed. Then this is getting added. This is the method to do it, Jim. You cannot do it directly. I hope you're clear now. This is not applicable. Okay. 39 times 4.25. Axmed? Yeah, again you made a mistake. 39.4.25. Okay, back to the questions. Is it all clear? Any doubts? Is it all clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Shall we go on with the next one? Generally, Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes. Now, the next one, I think you're done with the topic. All your conversations are done. Shall we get into the next one? Yes? Okay. Now, getting into a very important topic, that is percentage. Okay, fine. So, first is now, not the same topic. Percentage is alone a topic. There you did only with the symbol. The percentage means 1 by 100. Only that we have learned in simplification. This topic is, I cannot use a word as vast or huge. It's both. Okay, it's so big to learn. Okay, you're landing into the next bigger topic. So just pay attention. I'll teach you in an easy way, but still you have to learn, keenly listen so that you can make it easily. Is that okay? Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. The first one, I'm giving you some fraction values. You already know the answers. I would have made you to do it. I just want you to say me the answers and then let's get into the topic. Very easy. What's 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, and 1 by 5? What is 1 by 2 in decimals? Answer in decimals. Yeah, 0.5. Now, let's come on the day 2. Okay, on, yes, the second week, we would have learned on 23rd of March, you would have learned a topic called fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction. Do you remember that? Fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction. Do you remember? Yes. How to convert the 0.5 to a fraction. 0.5 as a fraction. 0.5 as a fraction. Yes, Kiru was right. Kiru Shalini. 5 by 10. Axman, please do place patience. Axman, don't go to the next questions. It will confuse you. Please stop it. Please do this question, then let's go on with the next one. It will confuse you. Please do listen carefully. Don't do the remaining questions. Yes, after the decimal point, I have one number, so that I write by 10. The number divided by 10. Are you clear with that, beloved? So after the decimal, one number, it's called 10th number. Okay, 0 point. This is called 10th, 100th, 1000th. 10th means 1 by 10. 100th means 1 by 100. 1000th means 1 by 1000. That's why after the decimal, I have only this number. So I've written the number by 10. Now, how to make this number divided by 100? It's the same number 5 by 10. How can I make it out of 100? 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 Yes, now Kiru is half right. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by 10. You have to do for both. You cannot do, Peter is also wrong. Only the denominator is right. Not, you cannot add just a 0 over there. I have the value 1 by 2. I made it 0.5. I made it 5 by 10. Now I want to make the denominator by 100. That means it's 50 by 100. It's 50 by 100. Are you clear with that? It's 50 by 100. Are you clear with that? Now, what is by 100 written in symbol? By 100 written in the symbol. By 100 is written in the symbol percentage. The by 100 means percentage. So I'll write it as 50 percentage. Did you get that? Jory, you're not right. What you have written is 5 by 1000, not 5 by 100. You clear with that? Yeah. Are you clear with the first one? Are you clear with the first one? One by 2 is equals to 0.5, and then 5 by 10. You get fraction as 5 by 10, multiplying the numerator and denominator. You get 50 by 100. That is equals to. Jirande, please don't do the next questions. Please don't. Please listen. The topic will get complicated for you. Please don't do the next ones. Please do stop it. You are learning percentage. Please do stop it, everyone. Please do listen, then you can carry on with the next. Otherwise, you will mess up with the topic very badly. Okay, fine. 1 by 2, the decimal value is 0.5, or I can write it as 5 by 10. Converting into percentage, 50 by 100. I can write the by 100 as percentage symbol. So it is 50 by 50 percentage. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes. Now 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 0.3333. It goes on. Okay. So you write it as example. If I'm writing 3.333, then it is divided by 10. Now, if I'm moving another decimal, then that is 33.33 divided by 100. Did you get it? Moving one decimal point, it is by 10. Moving another decimal point, it is by 100. So I'll write it in percentage as 33.33 percentage. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Okay, now what is 1 by 4 in decimals? What is 1 by 4 in decimals? What is 1 by 4 in decimals? Yes, 0.25. Now, this 0.25, what is it in fraction? 0.25, how can I write it in fraction? 0.25, yes, 25 by 100. 25 by 100 in percentage, since it is divided by 100, I'm writing it as 25 percentage. Are you clear with that? Done. Now, 1 by 5, what is the value? 1 by 5, what is the decimal value? 1 by 5, 0.2. What is it in fraction? What is it in fraction? 2 by 10. Now, the denominator is not out of 100, so I'll write it as multiplying numerator and denominator by 10. So it is 20 by 100. Got it? Yes. So I'll write it as 20 percentage. Did you get it? Okay. Now another example. Just keenly listen over here. Taking the 0.333, 0.3333 and multiplying the numerator and denominator with 100. Numerator into 100, denominator by 100. So that is nothing but 33.33 by 100. Did you get that? At the same time with this 0.25. 0.25 numerator and denominator are multiplying with 100. Multiplied by 100 by 100. So I get 25 by 100. Solving only the numerator and keeping the denominator for the purpose of percentage. 0.2 was the answer. So I want to remove the decimal. So multiplying it to 100 divided by 100. So that I get 20 divided by 100. That is 20 percentage. Are you clear with that? How to convert it? Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yeah. Yes. Are you clear now with everything? Okay. Now your homework is the same way. You have to find it for 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 10, 1 by 11, 1 by 12. In case if you can, I would appreciate you if you do 1 by 13, 1 by 14, and also 1 by 15. If you can learn, find these values in fraction and percentage. You clear with that? Find these values in fraction, decimal values, fraction, and percentage. Are you okay with that? 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 10, 1 by 11, 1 by 12, 1 by 13, 1 by 14, and 1 by 50. Decimal value, fraction, and percentage. Okay with that? Yes? Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, done. Okay, then we are done for the day. And tomorrow do the homework and come. We are getting into a bigger topic called percentage. Then I'll teach you how to do. And there are lots to learn in percentage. That will help you out in upcoming topics like ratio, proportion, and then we can link the percentage topics over there. Simple interest, compound interest. Lot of topics will follow with the percentage. So please do cleanly listen for today. Whatever you have done, please do the homework and come. And Jimmy, you can discuss that later. And the rest tomorrow when you do, you want to take all the topics with clean notes. Yes, for sure. The next class, give me a reminder for the square roots. I'll teach you how to find with the shortcut. Okay, square root shortcut, percentage, and your lot to do. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, beloved. Thank you, Kirushalni. Thank you, Dhanushri. Thank you, Josin. Thank you, beloved. Thank you, Itushina. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Niroshan. Thank you, Jirandi. Thank you, Sabatu. Thank you, Annie. Thank you, Abraham. Thank you, Simon. Thank you, Sanat. Thank you, Dhanushan. Thank you, Emmanuel. Thank you, Zawan. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Have a great day and let's catch up tomorrow. Tomorrow I would be there in the class. Thank you all. Yes, for sure. We'll meet tomorrow, Annie. Thank you, Evelyn. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you very much for your wishes. Wish you the same with Ramran, Mubarak, Abraham. Bye, Lasango. Thank you.